but you know, most of the people in your family, they don't need more stuff anyway. Hi, my name is Lindsay. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to talk about my budget for the holidays and good gift ideas that people will actually use and want that are affordable so that you can make a budget that's gonna work for you and you can actually stick to it. Think about all the men in your life who do literally nothing. They don't buy a single gift, they don't do any cooking, they don't do anything because they don't feel that expectation. So definitely question those feelings of I have to be the one that makes Christmas perfect. A lot of times you don't want to do those things, you don't really enjoy them, they stress you out, and then you feel resentful about them, that no one appreciates them, and that is a big waste of energy. Do you have to spend a certain amount of money on everyone in your family? No. Might they expect you to spend a certain amount? Maybe, or maybe they expect you to spend the amount that you spent last year because you have the same job, but that doesn't mean you have to do that. You don't have to do any of that. If you think that might cause an issue, definitely communicate that and say, I would rather spend money on an experience we can all do together. You know, most of the people in your family, they don't need more stuff anyway. So for Christmas, I'm trying to spend probably less than $300 for all of my Christmas shopping. Sister, brother-in-law, stepmom, dad, maybe my brother something. He's in New Zealand, so it's kind of hard to give him a gift. My assistant, and that's about it. I don't buy for friends. We can go and hang out and have a fun time together. They don't need more shit either. Definitely try to put aside some money to give back to those that are less fortunate. Holiday clothes and outfits for parties. Go for 1 or 2 pieces, but you don't have to have a new spectacular different outfit for every single party that you're going to. They're probably not even gonna remember what you wore. Really question yourself and what you really need to spend money on, and the answer is probably not that much. So some of the gifts that I've gotten for people that have been more affordable but more meaningful are, one year my stepmom said that she didn't want anything except for a letter. I wrote her a really nice letter about how much she means to me and how important she is in my life. I also included a donation that I had given to an Alzheimer's charity. That really meant a lot to her because her mom had Alzheimer's and she had passed away the year before. It allowed me to give back during the holiday season. Another meaningful gift that I've given her, I went on Etsy and I found someone that makes watercolors or portraits of people's pets. I think that was really meaningful and touching to her. It seems little, it was not that expensive, I was supporting a small business and not like just another object to kind of clutter the house. Another really affordable gift that I've done before is I have everyone pose for a family photo, and I buy frames from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target, like 8x10 frames that are usually around $10 a piece. I take the photo on the holiday or the night before, I go get the photo developed and printed out, and then I put it in the frame. That usually ends up being, you know, less than $15 a person. That's great for aunts and uncles, grandparents, parents. Last year, my brother had gone to Puerto Rico for a while after the hurricane to do relief work, and he had learned about this drink coquito, and it was so good, and he ended up getting stuff so he could make a big batch of it, and they got a bunch of mason jars. He gave everyone the mason jar as a gift. One of my friends, she used to make the best homemade gifts for everyone. She would make homemade caramels. She painted a photo of like a really important place to her dad growing up and gave that to him for Christmas. Homemade gift like that from the heart that takes a little bit of time and effort, but maybe not as much money to do, that can be so special and so meaningful to people. I had read online, people were asking what's the best gift to get for an assistant, and a lot of people responded and said cash. Last year I did these little $5 pink glitter card cases from Target, and I put 50 bucks in each one and gave it to both of my assistants. That's somewhere where I can feel good about giving my money to. I want to show my appreciation for them, but I don't try to get every single coworker that I have a gift. If you're going to a holiday party, it's nice to bring the person that's hosting it something. I like to give something that they can use right then for the party. I usually bring a bottle of wine. I have a couple of go-tos that are under $10 but are really good. They're crowd favorites. I grab at Trader Joe's because you know I love Trader Joe's. Definitely check out my haul and reviews video. So in conclusion, don't let anyone put that pressure on you during the holiday season. There's plenty of different gifts that you can give people. You don't have to spend a lot to give them something that's super meaningful to them that they're going to enjoy for years to come, or that's going to give back to a foundation or a charity, or that's going going to give them a special memory of the two of you together. So really focus on something more meaningful and you'll come up with a much more memorable gift that they're gonna love and enjoy for years and years. I would love if you leave in the comments below any good affordable ideas for homemade gifts, DIY gifts, affordable gifts that you're giving this year or that you've given in past years, because I think that would be super helpful to see even more great ideas. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, I would appreciate it so much. That would be the best gift you can give to me. The best gift you could give to me is if you also subscribe to my channel. I'm also working on some more videos where I talk about money and spending and saving and credit cards and student loan debt. So I'm really looking forward to making those videos and putting them up. If there's anything specific you want me to talk about money, please let me know in the comments below, and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much.